Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we break down tomorrow's tech today. Today feels electric, because we're about to explore what might very well be Apple's boldest leap forward in the iPhone saga, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Picture this, a phone that looks familiar yet feels razor-sharp, delivering instant responsiveness, cinematic photo quality, and endurance that won't quit, one that actually evolves what a smartphone can be. If that's the kind of device that gets you heart racing, you're in the right place. Apple has locked in September 9, 2025 for its much-hyped jaw-dropping event, and everything is pointing toward the iPhone 17 Pro Max stealing the show. Pre-orders are expected to kick off around September 12, with phones landing in hands and stores on September 19. It's the usual Apple play, but with a twist of excitement this time around. The Pro Max is rumored to be the priciest yet, starting near the $1,249 mark, about $50 more than its predecessor, though insiders suggest increased storage may help soften that blow. Now, before you cringe at the price, just wait until you hear what this device might bring to the table. First, the design. Apple seems to be pushing its aesthetic boundary. The Pro Max may come in a sleek aluminum and glass hybrid chassis instead of the usual stainless or titanium. Think lighter, yet just as tough, and possibly even a two-tone finish. Rumors whisper of a redesigned camera module, an elongated, pill-like bar sweeping across the upper back housing three massive 48-megapixel sensors. The notch might be trimmed too, with a slimmer dynamic island for an even more immersive screen. Speaking of the screen, every model in the lineup is tipped for 120 Hz ProMotion OLED displays for silky smooth scrolling. The Pro versions might go further with ultra-low reflection and scratch-resistant coatings. The Pro Max especially could sport a display with better viewing angles, less glare, and a polished look that matches its pro-grade internals. Performance-wise, Apple is dialing up its internal game with the A19 Pro chip, built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. It's not just about top-tier power, but efficiency and thermal mastery. A vapor chamber cooling system paired with a refined design could mean sustained high performance even under heavy workloads. RAM is receiving a bump too. The Pro Max could contain 12 GB, powering multitasking, AI features, and content creation with a new level of grace. If you're into photography or video, get ready, because this might be Apple's most cinematic iPhone yet. Alongside the triple 48MP rear sensors, the phone could finally unlock 8x optical zoom, a serious leap from current models. Dual video capture from front and back cameras might be here, alongside a 24MP selfie cam and even 8K video for creators hungry for premium resolution. Imagine shooting and editing Hollywood-grade footage from your pocket. Yeah, it looks like we're nearly there. Battery life hasn't been overlooked either. The Pro Max may be slightly thicker, adding space for a bigger battery that could push runtime to new heights. Qi 2 wireless charging at 25W, and maybe even reverse wireless charging, could be in the cards. Rumors also hint that Apple might be assembling its own battery cells for better longevity. That means less worrying about dead battery before bed or during that backcountry live stream. Worried about talk and stream speeds? Apple might finally pull the SIM tray completely, rolling all models, yes, even outside the US, to eSIM-only operation. On the wireless front, Wi-Fi 7 support via Apple-designed chips, plus an Apple Wi-Fi/5G modem, could mean more seamless connectivity, faster downloads, and better battery life. No more fiddling with physical SIMs, just magic on your screen. Software, of course, plays the magic maker role. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will ship with iOS 26, and sources suggest it will lean heavily into Apple Intelligence, On-device AI that anticipates your needs, boosts editing, and redefines Siri with a remodel dubbed LLM Siri. Expect smarter camera tools, richer notifications, revamped dynamic island interactions, and perhaps even elements like live translation or a peek into a possible desktop mode for external displays. We're talking a phone that thinks. Let's pause for a second. Imagine you're on a long flight, a camping trip, or filming content on the go. This phone is rumored to stay cool under pressure, run all day, capture everything in stunning quality, translate your words instantly, and keep you connected without a SIM card slipping from your mind. That's not just progress, that's power. Real talk. Surveys show that nearly 70% of current iPhone users in the US plan to upgrade to an iPhone 17 model, with the Pro Max leading the pack at over 38% interest. People prioritize battery, design, display, and camera improvements. This iPhone checks all those boxes with flair. Yes, there's a price hike. But between storage boosts, material upgrades, cinematic cameras, increased RAM, future-proof displays, and AI that actually helps, it might just deliver value worth talking about. As the event nears, most experts are telling curious buyers to hold their purchases, because the upgrades look meaningful, the value seems solid, and older models will almost certainly drop in price. So even if you're not upgrading, you might upgrade your wallet if you wait. As we get closer to the big day, stay tuned. Apple's jaw-dropping keynote is set to kick off at 10 a.m. Pacific Time on September 9th, where we'll likely learn shipping timelines, pricing tiers, and maybe even unexpected features live, possibly the surprise that gives us a glimpse of what the next few years might look like. So what do you think? Is Apple giving us enough with the iPhone 17 Pro Max to press pause on last year's model? Can a smoother screen, stronger build, cinematic camera, all-day battery, major RAM increases, and AI smarts truly justify the new price? Or is the leap still incremental? Let me know in the comments. Your thoughts could spark someone else's decision. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where we bring you the future of tech before it arrives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you're first in line when this kind of brilliance hits your screen. See you next time when we unpack all the reveals straight from Apple's stage.